My name is Rajkumar. I am the head of application. I would like to introduce our new machine model UMIL 6, and this machine is a portal structure, comes with the portal structure and the swiveling table, and the swiveling table C axis will rotate 360 degree and A axis will be plus 10 degree, 20 degree and minus 110 degree. This machine comes with two options. One is head and head controller, and the second one is the cinematic one model. And this machine is having the feature of HSK spindle, which is having the various spindle RPM like 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, and 18,000. And this machine also, we are also providing the pallet changer option, multi-pro features, which comes 4 pallet. And this machine also we are providing the Preci-Protect software as an option. This Preci-Protect is used to calibrate and doing the kinematic setting. And we will also give the Preci-Protect. It's a real-time simulation. It is used to prevent the fouling between the tool, work holding and the machine table. And this machine is particularly used for the aerospace industries, railway industries, for high precision component machining requirement.